Alright guys, we're going to carve the top of this wedding box. We got the barrel hinge holes in the bottom, right here and back in here. And just going to do a Z-depth check real quick. Oops, missed. Okay, all set for that. While this is running, let me share a little bit about this wedding. As I mentioned along the way, my wife is a minister. She has been performing weddings for 8 years now and does about 40 per year, so she's had a few hundred weddings in that time. Some are small elopements where it's just a couple and perhaps a friend or two. Some have their children as part of the wedding, and some include pets. And then there's the McAllister-Lewis wedding, where this box will be a small part of their ceremony called the marriage box poem. From the best man and maid of honor to the groomsmen, bridesmaids, ushers, junior bridesmaids, and ring bearers, they have 24 folks that are part of this grand celebration. Rhonda said that's the largest wedding party she's ever worked with. As I record this, rehearsal is still a few hours away, and the wedding will be the following day. Along with the box that you see here, there is also a pen that I made which will be used to sign the wedding license and certificate, which the couple will use as an heirloom. I've included a photo of the pen at the end of this video as well. So please join Reverend Rhonda and me in wishing Austin McAllister and Alyssa Lewis and their very large wedding party a wonderful life together with love, happiness, and many crazy stories they can share with their families and the generations to follow. Thank you. Okay guys, we're going to finish up the carving of this top for a wedding box, my wife's ministry business. So we're going to do a 3D carving of a set of wedding rings, and we've got an 1/8 inch ball nose bit in there right now. We're going to set the depth of it. Okay, that's all done. And this is going to basically run in 2 passes. First one is called a roughing pass, and that'll basically do several depths as it digs into the wood further. And then it'll do a finishing pass, which is basically a completely separate pass, all in one shot. So it'll clean up everything that's left over from the roughing pass. All right, let's get it started here, and off we go.